Are you looking to export deals from TeamGate CRM, but not sure how to do it efficiently? Well, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to export deals, and I'll also share some alternative options that might suit your business even better. Let's dive into how to export deals from TeamGate CRM. First, it's important to understand that TeamGate CRM is a powerful tool for managing sales processes, but its export functionality can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with it. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your TeamGate account and head to the Deals section where you can see your active opportunities and deal pipeline. Once you're there, you can easily sort and filter your deals based on specific criteria like status, stage, or assigned team member. Next, when you're ready to export your deals, look for the Export button, typically located in the top right corner of the deal dashboard. Clicking this will bring up a few options. You can choose the format for the export, most commonly CSV or Excel. If you want a clean export that includes all the details, the Excel format is often the better choice since it retains more structure. Once you've chosen your format, click on the Export button and you're done. Your file will be ready for download in seconds. Now, the fourth thing to know is that TeamGate CRM gives you options to customize what you want to export. You can choose to export only the columns that matter to you, which helps reduce clutter and keeps your exported file focused. This is really helpful when you're working with large data sets, especially if you're looking for specific insights or need to present the data in a more concise manner. The next thing to note is that TeamGate CRM allows you to export data from individual pipelines or all pipelines, depending on your needs. If you're working with multiple teams or different sales funnels, exporting from all pipelines gives you a comprehensive view of your entire sales process. But if you're focusing on one team or a specific deal type, just export from that pipeline for a more streamlined file. However, while TeamGate CRM does offer these export features, there are some limitations. For example, there's no built-in functionality to automatically sync your exported data with other tools or CRMs, which could be a hassle if you need to integrate TeamGate data into your larger workflow. And while you can customize your exports, the export templates themselves can be quite basic, especially when compared to more specialized software out there. Speaking of which, this brings us to alternatives. If you're looking for something that can handle your exports with more automation or integration into other platforms, there are a couple of options that I recommend checking out. These alternatives not only offer better export flexibility, but also come with extended features that might better suit your sales and CRM needs. Now, I want to mention that through the link in the description, you'll get exclusive access to a better free trial of TeamGate CRM, plus some of these amazing alternatives that could be a game changer for your workflow. These alternatives also have free trials, and we've included those links for you. This way, you can make a more informed decision and choose the right CRM solution for your business goals. So, if you're tired of struggling with the export options in TeamGate CRM or simply want to explore better, more customizable solutions, check out the description for the best free trial deals that are available to our viewers exclusively. Thanks for watching.